There was a lady I wanted to marry, and one day I asked, babe, what's your HB genotype? She was like, O plus, A, B plus, which one? Is it an A, B plus? Somebody say, hey! Well, let's get into it. At our last episode, we talked about the sickling test, a quick way to know whether you have the sickle-shaped red blood cell or hemoglobin. But a positive sickling test doesn't differentiate between the sickle cell trait, which is a carrier, or the sickle cell disease. And the negative test also doesn't exclude other forms of hemoglobin. And so, to know the type of hemoglobin present, we go a step further. HB electrophoresis type. HB is a short form for hemoglobin, a makeup of the red blood cell. Hemoglobin electrophoresis is a laboratory technique that separates the different types of hemoglobin in your blood. These types of hemoglobin are hemoglobin A, hemoglobin S, hemoglobin C, and hemoglobin F. We inherit one of these from our parents, and so a combination of these results in your HB genotype. The test done. It starts with a simple blood draw, and the sample is analyzed or processed in the laboratory. Your results show how much of each hemoglobin type is present. Here are a common combinations or patterns that you may see. HbAA, absolute normal with no forms of abnormality. HbAS, normal but a carrier of the sickle cell. HbSS, which is the sickle cell disease, and usually it requires medical management. HbAC, which is a carrier of the hemoglobin C, and usually no symptoms. HbCC, which is hemoglobin C disease, and usually it presents with mild to moderate anemia. And HbSC, which is a combination of hemoglobin S and hemoglobin C, also sickle cell disease, but with milder symptoms. Knowing your hemoglobin type is crucial for family planning and long-term health. Don't just stop at the sickling test. Get the full picture with hemoglobin electrophoresis. Now, lovebirds, go and check your hemoglobin genotype before you say, I do.
Why are you running?
I am Dr. Paul Esiama, a medical laboratory scientist. Follow us for more life-saving health tips and do share this video to help others.